Hello guys and gals, and in the last video we talked about fixing the RAM crisis, and one of the easiest ways to reduce RAM usage is removing the trash we don't need. So I tested a bunch, and I mean a bunch of uninstallers, and let me tell you, it was an interesting journey. And some of them somehow made things even worse. Side installs, pop-ups, background junks. As you can see in the video, my screen literally turned into a Christmas tree as I was finishing the installation with one of them. So today I'm going to be saving you the headache. My name is Arya, this is AZM Lab, and these are the 3 of the best free uninstallers you should actually use. Now, let's start with Geek Uninstaller. The website was pretty straightforward. Simple layout, the usual big download button, easy to grab and run, just no nonsense. But, as you probably noticed in the video, there is a paid version that adds some extra features. But honestly, for most people, I don't think you really need them. It's something to consider, but well, the free version does the job absolutely fine. But guys, before anybody says anything, just to be clear, none of these tools are sponsored. Although, if they ever want to be, hey, hit me up. Joking aside though, that wouldn't ever affect my opinion either way in terms of any review. Now, bringing it back to the actual software, the interface, guys, surprised me the most out of all the tests I did, because it's so simple, it is very clean and just completely clutter free. It's just a simple, small design, guys. And if you're like me and you appreciate this sort of a clean design, you're gonna love it. But the downside is, with the whole clean and simple design, it is very minimal in terms of the fact that you don't have any advanced options. You do some, but not that much. And there aren't as much information comparing to the other ones that I'm going to suggest. It does the cleanup pretty well, but it's not as, shall we say, deep or aggressive as some of the other uninstallers that we'll look at. Next up is Bulk Crap Uninstaller. Guys, every time I say that name, I just can't help it. I giggle, man. Right, putting the crazy name aside, this is actually sits on the complete opposite end of spectrum. Bulk Crap Uninstaller is fully open source, which means it is community driven, transparent, and there's no closed off company doing, well, things behind the scene. And you can even see that really reflected in the website itself. It is pretty simple, and when it comes to downloading, it will link you out to places like GitHub and other third-party websites, as you can see in the video, which is totally fine and exactly what you expect from a lot of these sort of open source projects. Now, don't let the fact, though, that it's free or community made fool you, because this is easily, and I mean easily, the most feature-packed uninstaller on this list. You get bulk uninstalling, deep leftover detection, tons of advanced options, and as you can see, guys, even color-coded entries so you can immediately know what you're looking at. All for free. Crazy. That said though, guys, I'll be honest, the sheer number of options can be intimidating at first. But if you like control, details, and tool that doesn't lock features behind a paywall and doesn't leave any leftovers behind, well, this is absolutely one to use. Now, let's jump to Revo Uninstaller, which is probably the most talked about and promoted one, because as you can see, there is a free version, which is what I'm using, but also there is a paid version that adds more features. Having said that though, guys, trust me when I say this, I tested a bunch of uninstallers, especially the ones that have like paid and free version. And let me tell you, with a lot of them, as soon as you install the free version, they add a whole bunch of extra junk and side installs. It is annoying as hell. Revo free version was outstanding. It did not do any of that with all the promotional. It was done perfect, guys. It runs incredibly well, so the promotions are 100% justified. In my experience, it sits right in the middle between the two that I've already showed you. As you can see, it is colorful, easy to navigate, gives you a good amount of options, but it doesn't overwhelm you. But guys, it is still very powerful, and it can remove everything. And I mean everything. It does not give you a warning either at times. So be aware of that. It does, however, give you sort of like an option to back up, but just be careful when you're using it. Having said that though, guys, if you want something powerful but balanced, and you like having options but not too much, then the free Revo Uninstaller makes a lot of sense. Hope this video has helped, and if it has, don't forget as always to smash that like button and do drop your comments down below. Love to hear them around if you're using a different tool, guys. Maybe something I've already checked, maybe something I missed. Guys, let's share them. Even if it's something else, a question, guys, ask them. You never know, might be something I'll be answering on the next video. And for that and a lot more, as always, tech talks, free tools, ding that notification, hit that subscribe button. Take care, and until next time, peace.